welcome back to my channel. My name is Natoya, and on this channel we discuss and make art. So, where have I been for the last couple of weeks? I've been moving. So I've been packing up all our stuff and moving to the new place, unpacking the new place, cleaning the new place, being a mom, being a student, being a wife, all of that stuff. Anyways, so I'm finally at a place now where I can, get back to making some art. This is my new space. It's not going to be my permanent space, but it's my space for now. Let me turn you guys around so you can see. Here I have some packaging at the top for sending out art prints and artwork, stickers and all that stuff when they're ordered. And then I have like some sketchbooks, and I still have a lot of things to unpack and put out. This is essentially like my work station. I'm gonna do a little, what do you call that? I'm gonna do a little painting on this board once I get a chance. Today we're making stickers. As you can see, I've already cut a whole bunch of them and just haven't getting them ready for the web shop. So I'm gonna call these guys Daisy Girl stickers, and they'll be in the shop for $3 a piece, 3 Canadian dollars. That's really cheap considering I drew this image, I printed it, cut it, and everything is all done in-house, as you can see. All right, so that's the space. I can't wait to do some gel plate printing, but I cannot for the life of me remember what box I put my gel plates in. I put them in a box thinking that I want them to be really accessible for when we get to this new place. And it's the only thing I can't find. Like, what the heck? The reason why I really want to find them is because the previous homeowners, they left behind all these National Geographics. It actually used to be, this whole thing was filled with National Geographics, but I took them out and got some of my own art books up there that I can access because, you guys, I'm still in school. So yeah, I'm super excited about, getting my gel plate out so I can actually make some prints. So today's video is just kind of a chill video. Look at all that mess behind me. I'm still getting organized, so excuse the mess. Today's a chill video. We're going to just do some studio vlog kind of thing. I'm going to show you guys how I scan some of my watercolors into the computer to make different kind of artworks out of them. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm just scanning in a bunch of images and doing the fixing them in Photoshop and that kind of thing. So yeah, come along with me, guys, while I do some art making situation. This is the day in the life of a working artist. All right, so let's do this. I scan the images and I try not to do too much to it, just do some adjustments.